What's up, y'all? We be setting up the stream. Okay. Popping out the chat. Boom, boom. Be right back. What up, y'all? We've been playing with Chainlink and Solana. Solana. Boom. Okay. What am I doing? Let's play with Solana. It's cold in my apartment, y'all. Damn. The crypto apps that scale. Start building. Build now. Okay, we're going to want to do this. Let's do this. Dark mode that shit. What is a cluster? So instead of like shards, does Solana have clusters? Let's do Solana has clusters instead of shards. And before starting any validators, one of the first ones, two public keys, a mint, and a bootstrap validator. Joining a cluster. Validators under a cluster. Validators entering the cluster via registration messages to its control panel. Before starting validators, the first thing is Genesis config. The config references two public keys, a mint and a bootstrap validator. The validator holding the bootstrap validator's private key is responsible for appending the first entries to the ledger. It initializes its internal state with the mint's account. The account will hold the number of native tokens defined by the Genesis config. Okay, so the Genesis config Oh, that's interesting. Second validator then contacts the bootstrap validator to register as a validator. Additional validators then register with any registered member of the cluster. Hey, how's it going? Validators enter the cluster via registration message to its control panel. The control plane. The control plane is implemented using a gossip protocol. There's already too many words. Meaning that no may register with any existing node. Sending transaction to the cluster, confirming transactions. Yep. Maybe let's just try building something first. And then I can learn more about it later. Hey, good day. Good day to you as well. So let's just start building, right? I think maybe some of this will come clear as we build with stuff. So what we're doing today, I'm gonna try to deploy some contracts on the Solana testnet with the intent on working with the Chainlink Solana integration. So, or the DevNet. I think it's called DevNet on Solana. So hopefully we'll learn a little bit more about what makes Solana unique, what makes Solana good. I know they have a couple different patterns. I'm having my OJ this morning. Oh, awesome. Yeah, Brownie is awesome. So that's great to hear. Hope the video helped. An app interacts with Solana cluster by sending it transactions with one or more instructions. Okay, what is an app defined as? Front-end application that interacts with Solana cluster. Oh, I like that. By sending it transactions, I'm assuming these are regular transactions. Program execution begins with a transaction being submitted to the cluster. One or more instructions signed by the client, executed automatically. What is the smallest unit of a program that a client can include in a transaction? Okay, so cool. Great. An app sending it transactions with more instructions. The Solana runtime passes those instructions to programs deployed by an app. So there's an app, which is the front end, sends it transactions with more instructions. I mean, this seems pretty standard blockchain stuff. Passes those instructions to programs deployed by app developers beforehand. An instruction might, for example, tell a program to transfer LAMP ports. Oh, that's apparently not a thing. Is this on GitHub? Just make an issue saying that this is a broken link. From one account to another by creating an interactive contract that governs how LAMP ports are transferred. Is that what the hell's a LAMP port? Oh, it's named after somebody. Oh, that's nice. So Solana is a framework. This is smart contracts, correct? Yeah. So Solana's a different blockchain, actually. So we're going to be trying to interact with a different blockchain, which hopefully will be pretty fun here. To the program, blah 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 blah. Start developing immediately. You can build, deploy, and run one of the examples. Okay. Hello World is a product that, because there's also the Chainlink Flux GitHub. Oh, where is it? I think oh, sorry. 1 second, guys. My bad. This is what I want. There's a Flux Chainlink Solana integration going on. So yeah, so these are going to be smart contracts, but on a different blockchain. So we're playing around with some other blockchains. I guess I could just do the walkthrough here, but I wanna like actually understand like what's going on. So I mean, reading the docs just really quickly, it looks like it's pretty similar. Chainlink's purpose to connect different blockchains. No, so Chainlink's purpose is actually to bring data onto blockchains and also bring data off of blockchain. So it's Chainlink's main purpose is a decentralized oracle. It can also be used to connect blockchains, which is really nice. Chainlink itself is not a blockchain. So no, Chainlink itself is not a blockchain. But the Chainlink token is what's called an ERC20 on a blockchain. All right, Hello World. The Hello World is a project that demonstrates how to use the Solana JavaScript API and both Rust and C programs. Okay, so to build, deploy, and interact with Solana programs on the blockchain. Okay, so I'm kind of weak with Rust and C and JavaScript to some extent. But let's try it. The project prizes itself of on-chain Hello World program, client that can send a hello to an account and get back the number of times hello has been sent. Okay. Oops. Here. Close Telegram. Git clone. CD example hello world. Yeah, good question. Follow step in the repos readme. Okay. Break. Well, let's just do the readme, huh? Oh, okay. Oops. Hello world on Solana. This project demonstrating use blah 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 blah. Okay, there's a lot of stuff in here. Okay. Opening Git pod. Sure. Yeah, sure. Link token is for, and my apologies for the very basic question. I saw this video explaining Chainlink connecting blockchains to the legacy financial systems. Link token is for paying Chainlink node operators. So it's an ERC 677, which is a backwards compatible ERC20, which and yeah, it's meant to pay Oracle node pay Chainlink node operators for providing data to blockchains. It has a couple of really nice extra features. Oh, this is cool. Has a couple of nice extra features like transfer and call, where you can transfer the link token from one account to another, and also call a function, which is really, really nice. Okay, so this is kind of cool. If you decide to open in Gitpod, prefer to readme Gitpod, otherwise continue reading. Following depends. You know, I kind of want to do it locally. I kind of don't want to do it on Gitpod, even though this looks cool. Let's let that do its thing. So this video explaining Chainlink connecting blockchains to the legacy financial systems. Yep, so you can do that. One really cool example of Chainlink in legacy financial situations right now, or institutions right now, is with the Chainlink proof of reserve, where they do like TUSD reserves and TUSD supply. So it's actually connecting like auditors or something. I think I'm not actually exactly sure, but it's like banking APIs and seeing how much money is in their account, basically. Did you know you're going to build while trying Solana out? Do you know what you're going to? No idea. We're going to, I mean, all right. So the idea is to get to a point where we build this. But I want to kind of just get a good feel for Solana before we get there. So build the Chainlink Flux, build the Chainlink Solana integration. Well, it's already been done, but like play with it. If you decide to open, blah, blah. Okay. Install node, npm, install. I think I already have Rust installed. Actually, I think I can just check. Rust command, or no, it's Rust up, right? Rust up. Okay, yeah, I have it. Rust up -v. Oh, I just did that. Usage, Rust up flags -v. Oh, that's verbose. Oh, capital V. Okay. V. Okay, cool. Install Solana. Okay. 122.1. Actually, maybe I need a better one. Proceed with all. Yeah, sure. Just get the most up-to-date version, because that might be outdated. It's like 6 months old. Node operators. Is that something I will be very interested in? Do you need a very heavy machine to be a node operator? No, you don't. Rust now installed. Okay, now what version? Did I even upgrade my version? Oh, cool. This is the version for the Rust Toolchain Manager, not the Rustic compiler. The currently active Rustic version is Rust. Okay. Oh, gotcha. Okay, cool. Install Solana from here. Okay, well, I can do that. Install the Solana tool suite. There are multiple ways to install on Solana on your preferred machine. Using Solana as install tool, simplest option. Okay, well, let's do that. Mac and Linux. Well, this is why I have a Mac. Open your favorite terminal. Install this. Okay. Let's do that. Doesn't matter. You can replace v1.5 with the release tag machine, matching the software version of your desired release. Oh, wait. Oh, I'm already... Okay, or later. Okay, cool. Stable. The following indicators indicates a successful update. Depending on your system, the end of the installer message may prompt you to please update your path environment variable to include the Solana program. If you get the above message, copy and paste the recommended command below to update path. Confirm you have the desired version of Solana installed by running Solana. If you get the copy and paste the recommended command below to it to update path. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to do that off screen because I have a bunch of stuff in there. It's in my bash profile. Like a million of these paths in here now from all the different applications I've worked with. Okay, yep. I don't need that. Okay. Okay, that looks good to me. Let's open up a new terminal here. And then it said I could do Solana-S version. So if we did it right, this should work. Oh, hell yeah! We living. I'm feeling like doing the same and giving Solana a try. I've been thinking about trying to cross-chain swaps using Chainlink, and this seems like a good time to try. Perfect. Well, you came to the right stream. Is this OBS for the streaming you are currently using? Yes. I am a noob streamer, though. I'm always looking for more information on how to be a better streamer. After a successful install, you may use this. Okay, well, I'm going to put that in my little to update Solana. A little notes folder. Windows, don't care, and we don't care about any of this stuff anymore, right? We'll leave Git. We delete. It looks like there was an error there. I'm going to delete that anyways. Okay. It said follow the instructions in the README. Preview the README. Oh. Do I have to keep that as open? Project demonstrates how to use blah, 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 blah. Table of contents. Install Solana. This is the first time using Docker or Rust. These installation notes might be helpful. Okay, well, let's open. Oh. It's on the same page. Oh, yeah. How do I go back? Is there a back button? Oh, no. No, okay. Start local Solana cluster. This example connects to a local Solana cluster by default. Enable on-chain program logs. Rust log equals Solana, okay. This is where, okay. So do I have to do this every time? Rust log equals Solana. Okay. So should I just have this in my bash profile too? Maybe. I mean, that sounds smart. I'll do this off screen as well. Because if I'm gonna be, if I'm gonna be doing this a bunch, like I'm gonna get pissed if I don't. Okay, let's do this again. Hello. Thank you. Start a local Solana cluster. Okay. So this is going to be our local npm run local net up. Do I need to do npm install first? Solana local net. Oh, did I already miss something? Install node. I mean, I have node, right? Yeah, npm. Yeah. Install Docker. I think I have Docker running. Yep, I have Docker running. npm. Solana local net update. Solana local net command not found. Yeah, ls npm install. I mean, that makes sense, right? Good morning, 5 a.m. here. Hey, it's 6:30 here. Is there any documentation on how to integrate Chainlink to other blockchains, general step requirements, etc.? Yes. And while this is npm installing, external initiators. This is going to be what you're looking at. There's a couple of demo repos. I don't know if they're in here. I should probably put them in here. Like Conflux is a great one. If you're doing an EVM compatible chain, you just do exactly what you normally do on like Ethereum. But yeah, this is you want to check out external initiators. That's how external initiators and external adapters. That's how you're going to want to do integrations. If you want to check out the Conflux Chainlink demo, that's a really good example. OBS is excellent. I use it as well as runs on Ubuntu. Yep. I echo Xenobytes question. Oh, wait, where's... Good morning. Oh, is there any... Oh, yeah. I just answered that. Cool. So now... Oh, let's... I guess we could be nitpicky and like... I think I do kind of want to be nitpicky. Read me. Because we already ran into an issue here. And I'm not trying to run into issues. npm run. So now it should work, right? Okay, well, we're gonna fork this. I'm gonna do it on my Patrick profile though. We're gonna make a quick comment to run npm install. Doing our open source duty here. Okay, cool. Great. Just gonna make a quick edit on their README. npm. Oh, hello. Blah. npm install. Cool. Okay, so do I have a thing up? View the cluster logs. npm run. Wait, where is this running? Is it in? It's in Docker. Oh, yikes. Oh, yikes. Oh, I have a whole bunch of Docker shit running. Let's clean this up, huh? Docker kill this. Docker kill. I forgot about this stuff. Oh, yikes. Docker kill. Docker PS. Okay, now it's Solana. It's just Solana here, right? Yeah, okay. Cool. So we got it running in Docker. Let's check the logs. npm run local net logs. We probably also do Docker logs, right? Docker PS. Docker logs. Oh, maybe not. Okay. Oh. Okay. Okay, so we have a bunch of random shit here. Great. Blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah, blah. So I have a thing up. Next, stop the local Solana clusters later. So this is like compose up and then compose down. Oops. PS. Okay, great. Local net down. Is there a cluster dev? So Patrick, npm installs Slackware, right? What's Slackware? Local net down. So now if I do Docker PS. Okay, cool. So this is like Docker compose up, and then this is Docker compose down. Okay, cool. Let's spin it back up. All right, cool. Seems simple enough. Build the on-chain program. There is both a Rust and C version of the on-chain program. Whichever is built last will be the one used when running the example. There's both a Rust and C version of the on-chain program. Okay, well, I haven't touched C in like 7 years, so at least I've touched C recently. This looks like... Wait. Ooh, wait, can I just run this? Post command. Oh, cool. Oh, so this is like, these are like Ethereum commands. So this is notes for me. This is like Ethereum like commands. Cool. Why does it do preview of notes? That's so weird. Okay, let's do the Rust one. Just like I said, it's been a while since I've done C. npm run build program Rust. Okay. Whichever is built last will be the one used when running the example. Okay, cool. Well, we're only going to run Rust. We're not going to do the C one. And then npm run start. Okay. Well, let's see this package lock, or this package. Hello world. Oh, there's a lot of scripts in here, huh? Yeah. Where's that up? Localnet up. Solana localnet down. Set dash X. Set dash E. Solana localnet up. No worries. Feel free to ask questions. Don't feel bad. npm is Nodejs. Yep. Well, basically, yeah, they're a little bit different. npm is like the package manager for Node.js software. So when you, so when you install Node.js, you'll get npm as well. Yep. Okay. Compiling Rust. I swear, as a software engineer, like, you just kind of chill for half the time and stuff compiles. Dying. It's a sweet emoji. I guess we could read some other stuff while it's... What is Break? Break is a React app that gives user a visceral... What does this word mean? I forget. It's a sick word. Relating to viscera. Okay. Relating to deep inward feeling rather than to intellect. Ooh, there's a visceral feeling for just how fast and high performance the Solana network really is. Can you break the Solana blockchain? During a 15-second playthrough, each click of a button or keystroke sends a new transaction to the cluster. Smash the keyboard as fast as you can. Watch your transactions get finalized in real time while the network takes it on stride. Oh, I love it, actually. Break can be played on our DevNet testnet. Oh, so they have DevNet and testnet. And mainnet beta. They have a mainnet beta? Is Solana live? I thought Solana was live. Solana token. Does anyone know if Solana's live? Sol. They need a token. Can I do buy Sol? Or Sol. Okay. So, buy Solana. It looks like it is live. Mainnet beta. Oh, that's interesting. Right, because it's clearly live. So if you can buy it. Huh. On mainnet beta, users pay to play that much Sol. Well, I have none, so I was hoping this would teach me how to get some Sol too. The session account can be funded with a local key store wallet or by scanning QR code from Truffle. Click here to play break. Okay. It said smash the keyboard, right? Well, let me just get that right. Can you break each click? Blah blah blah. Smash the keyboard. Okay. Well, guys, get ready. Solana's the world's most blah blah blah. Just see how fast you're invited to come and break Solana in the next 15 seconds. Okay. We're gonna mash the keyboard here so we can break Solana. You guys ready? I got my keyboard here. Here we go. Play the game. Select wallet. Shit, I don't have a wallet. Recoverable wallet powered by Taurus. G. Well, it's gonna make me sign in. Yeah, sure. So Google can be my Solana wallet? I don't know if I like that. Let's just do it for now. What fetches a wallet here? Oh, okay. I've bounced 0. So this is going to be my Solana wallet for now. Oh, I'm on mainnet beta? Can we not do that? Can we do DevNet? So can I? So I'm on DevNet, so I can just send transactions? Oh! Oh, shit! Oh, I broke it. No, I broke Brave. Oh, fuck. Alright, let's try again. Wasn't enough. With 109, 50, took them processing. Wait, I took up this much of Solana's capacity? Processing the same amount of transactions would have taken up to... Wow, okay. All right, Solana. All right, man. Okay, here we go. So obviously I'm not going to, if I'm hitting this, but... So this is like giving an idea of the TPS. So that's kind of cool. So this is like giving the TPS. Let's do let's do it again. Fuck. Wait, no, shit. No, I control F. No. Boom. Okay, way more. All right, cool. But it gives us a good idea of the capacity. So, with the TPS. Very cool. I smashed the keyboard. Yay. Let's go back to what we were doing. Preview of README. Yep. Expected output. Public keys values may differ. Excuse me. Say hello to your Solana account. Wait. Oh, I didn't do npm start. Whoops. I did. Okay, now we'll do npm start. Okay. After Rust finished building. Patrick, I know there's a channel for Discord node operators. Do you know if there's anyone twitching like you about that? I don't think so. If there are, let me know. I'd be curious to see. Can you elaborate on what you are getting out of this test game transaction per second? Yeah, so it's just it's kind of silly, but it's kind of fun. That game was basically saying, hey, every time you hit the keyboard, you're gonna do a transaction on the DevNet, and it's just kind of showing the power of the transactions per second of Solana. So, which was pretty cool. Yeah. Okay, so something broke with my npm start here. Error. Failed at the hello world at start script. This is probably not a problem with npm. Yeah, of course it's never a problem with npm. Error and new struct error. See, I'm not a big fan of when shit doesn't work right in the frickin' readme. But I did do npm install, right? Do I have to do npm install after I do the Rust thing? No. What is Oops. Main.ts. Okay. At new struct error. Well, I did the Rust build, right? Maybe I have to do the C build. Oh, wait, what? Oh, this looks like it's doing Rust again. Cargo install? This is Rust. This is Rust. Is this wrong? Build. Program C. Program Rust. Cargo build. Remove. I mean, that looks like it's doing Rust stuff, right? Build program Rust. Cargo build beat. npm run clean store. Okay, this one errored now. Library not found. Else system. Linker command with exit code 1. Okay. Hello world. I hate JavaScript. Cloning into warning, be sure to add append to your path to be able to run the installed binaries. Okay. I don't think I missed a step, right? Hello world on Solana. Okay. Install node. Yes. 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 Okay. I did this. Let's just do it again. Why not? Okay. Let's just do it again. Great. It's most up to date. Oh, was my thing not up? Oh, maybe my thing wasn't up. Oh, whoops. Let's just build the Rust one again, and we'll wait in a little bit. But it does say to stop it later. Oh, so maybe my thing was down. Whoopsies. And yeah, let's rebuild the Rust, and then we'll start again. Okay. Orange juice is OP. Kind of want coffee. I don't really drink coffee though. I want this emoji that you guys used. It's cute. I guess while we hang out, build and run. First fetch the latest version of the example code. Okay, so this is talking about break again. Oh, and that's it. Examples, hello world. Well, we're doing hello world. We'll have to go back into the about and stuff. I read this before. I feel like it's hard to like get an actual like good idea of like what the difference in the blockchain is like right away. So like yeah, high performance permissionless blockchain. It looks like yeah, it has high TPS, which is great, but like why? Is it because it has these multiple clusters? So is it sacrificing like the security of the network for multiple clusters? I don't know. Okay, looks like we're all. Hopefully this works now because I actually have Solana running this time. No. So in this stream, you are testing Solana web scale blockchain. Is this related to the video you put together recently about the best frameworks? No, this pretty much has nothing. What I'm doing today has nothing to do with the best frameworks. But if you want to ask questions about it, feel free. Okay, yeah, so Docker PS. This is clearly up. What's the thing to check the logs? Okay, yep, clearly, it's doing what it should be doing. npm run start. Why is this one not working? Main.ts. Yeah, did I put somewhere that this was going to be about frameworks? Because if I did, I should probably change that. I don't think I did, right? No. Oh, okay, cool. Thought I was setting some false expectations. I didn't want to do that. Let's say hello to the Solana account. Add new struct error. Maybe if I Google this, a complete log of this run can be found here. I feel like every time I check this in npm, it doesn't give me anything helpful. Yeah, let's just. Maybe if we Google this, we can find the answer. See, I'm trying to like. I don't even know how to. Solana error at new struct error. Solana error at new struct error. Nope, this is what I meant. Expected value of undefined. So they had a type error. So I don't even know where to go with this. At next. This is due to my. I'm seeing Babel. Usually I have issues with Babel. Maybe we need to remove node modules. Oops. Remove -rf. Node modules. Let's just try to reinstall. Remove package. Lock. npm install. Let's try again. Maybe like, I don't know, maybe the npm install didn't do what we wanted it to do. And then if this doesn't work, we're going to skip this hello world and create an issue. Go from there. So now we want to do, let's do, the dev necessary. Let's just rebuild Rust one more time, and then, could not determine a Rust C version. Well, why not? Honestly, why does anybody use JavaScript for anything? Running, could not determine Rust C version. No, run with Rust backtrace equals 1. I could do that. So Patrick, as Chainlink's purpose is to connect blockchains and legacy systems as well, do you probably need to get familiar with different blockchains like Cardano, Polkadot, Ethereum, but today Solana? Basically, yeah. So any blockchain that is doing really cool stuff, that wants to integrate with Chainlink, yeah, pretty much. Which is a lot of fun actually, because I get to play with a ton of different blockchains, like Solana, for example. Okay, so now the run thing isn't working. Maybe the C one will work. Although it's doing great. See, like this is, I just don't know enough about system level programming here, probably. My Rust is too weak. My C is too weak. Oh no, I just needed to, no, I don't know what I needed to do. Did I need to update this? Or maybe this isn't Rust. See, why is this? So now that I've re-npm installed, all of a sudden nothing's working. Do I need to update this? Not a great. Is this going to create a second one? No, just have one. Down. Is repo on GitHub? I can't seem to find it. The Solana one? Yeah. Not here, not here. Right here. Is that my phone? Yep, no problem. Yeah, and if you can find out what I'm doing wrong, that'd be great. Yeah, so if I can't get this to run, I'm just gonna create an issue on the GitHub, and hopefully they can figure it out and then get back to me. I probably have to brush up on my Rust to like keep going anyways. Ensure you start a local cluster. Oh, okay, here's the, okay. Sure, Docker is running. Client output should include program messages to indicate why the program failed. Inspect the Solana cluster logs looking for any failed transactions or failed. Okay, so I have to. And built the on-chain program. Yeah, okay. Docker is running, right? Yeah. Oh, wait. Docker desktop is running. Yeah. And then we just, yeah, obviously it's running. Oh, it wants us to update Docker though. So we're going to do that. Oh, shit. Okay, well, it worked this time for some reason, but My Docker is currently updating, so Docker PS should do nothing. Yeah. Can you name your 3 must interesting projects? Blockchains that you are the most excited to work with, or that have the most potential in your opinion? Yeah. So there's a lot. And these are just the ones that I've worked with, or I understand, or I've spent the time to kind of understand what they do. I mean, Ethereum, obviously, it's kind of like ground zero for all this stuff. I think sidechains, I'm going to categorize sidechains all into one, like Matic, XDAI, Optimism. I think those are really exciting because they help scale in the short term before sharding and ETH2 come out. So I'm really excited. I've been meaning to play with. Can I scoot this down a little bit? I've been meaning to play with them. Oh, you can see my crap in the back though. I don't want you to see my crap in the back. I've been meaning to play with them. And then Polkadot, I think, is really interesting. I think they're doing something fundamentally different than all these like ETH killers, if you will. Yeah, I think those ones are really cool. There's probably a couple more, but those are the first 3 that come to mind. Okay. Docker is back up. Okay, maybe I just need to restart Docker. Okay, yes. Why is this interesting? Docker kill. Docker image ls. Let's just kill all these. Docker image remove. Oh, whoops. Do I have to do the ID or whatever? Unable to delete images being used. Is it? Okay. Docker image loss. Docker image remove. Docker image remove. Docker PS. Docker image ls. Cool. All right, great. All right, we built it again. Let's spin it up, and then hopefully all of our playings around fixed whatever's going on. Start it. No, okay. Not seeing the expected output. You started a local cluster and built the on-chain. Yes, yes. Ensure Docker is running. Yep. You might try bumping its resource settings. 8 gigabytes of memory and 3 gigabytes of swap should help. Okay. How do I... Let's figure out how to do that. Resources. CPUs. Memory. 8 gigabytes of memory. Where's swap? 2 gigabytes of swap. What is swap? Docker. Let's find out. Docker and swap space. Swap. Swap. What is Docker swap? When containers exceed the specified amount of memory, the container will start to swap. By default, the container can swap the same amount of assigned memory, which means that the overall hard limit would be around 256 when you set memory to swap. So it just hits its limits and it provide more memory to running by when available. So it's just like excess. Interesting. If anybody else knows, let me know. All right, apply and restart. We're gonna restart Docker again. We're gonna give it 8 gigs of memory. We just need to bump up the our Docker power. Thank you. No, thank you. New Chainlink release is coming soon. Oh, that's what's up. Give Docker all the memory. It's a good thing that I bought this new computer. If I didn't have this new computer and Docker was like, yeah, you need to... like my old laptop, 8 gigs of memory was like all its memory. So are you done? Are you done yet? So are you at 8 gigs now? Oh wait, oh you still... Actually, that was interesting. Get rid of that. Okay. So let's try to up again. This time with Docker having the right amount of memory. Docker PS. Great. We already did that. Okay. Nope, still have an issue. Okay, cool. Yep, 3 gigabytes of swap. Shit. Well, is that really going to be the difference? Is it really going to be 3 gigabytes of swap is going to... is this really going to be the kicker? Is the 1 extra swap? This is a Mac, right? Yeah. The client output should include program logs. Your PC, yeah, it's a Mac. Should include program that indicate why the program failed. Program log message. Client output. So program log. What about checking the log? Yeah, so that's this gonna be this part. Well, so the log's here, right? How do we get the log? Right. So this is like the. So we could also go into the Docker image. But it says program log message. Okay, cool. So this has been restored. Yeah, I'm on the latest version. Solana. Is it dash version? Oh, it's... Yeah, 1.5.2. So we bumped up. We'll try... We'll try one more time here with the bumped up version. We'll do npm start. Should still fail, okay. Ensure Docker is running, yep. The client output program should include program log messages that indicate why the program failed. The client output should include program log messages. It'll say program log message. So where is that? Program log message. Client output, well it's, okay. Program log. Pattern not found. Okay. Spec Solana cluster. Logs looking for any failed transactions or failed on-chain programs. Expand the log filter and restart the cluster to see in more detail. I did this. It's a Mac. Curious if the M1 chip might have anything to do with it. Yeah, it does Mac. Is this the Mac M1 or Intel? How do I find that out? Intel Core i5. I don't know if that gives you any information here. I don't know if that helps you out. Should be good. Yeah, okay. So So maybe we just skip the hello world stuff. The client output should include program log messages that indicate why the program failed. Program log message. So where is this? Why don't we... What is... Well, I think we're going to create an issue on this README. Inspect the Solana cluster logs looking for any failed transactions. Okay, we didn't really do that before we... Do we see any failed transactions here? I don't even know what I'm looking at. Okay, debugging, huh? Thanks for the tip here. Oh, yuck. Solana programs run on-chain, so debugging them in the wild can be challenging. To make debugging programs easier, developers can write unit tests. I'm not trying to write unit tests. During program execution, both the runtime and program log status and logging from Rust program. Rust println macro is computationally expensive and not supported, so instead the helper macro message is provided. Oh, but this is for developing with Rust, though. I'm just trying to find out how to get these logs. Yeah. So I'm not super tied to, I mean, the fact that like we were 2 steps into the hello world and we're already hitting an error, I think is an issue, and other people are going to run into it. So what we're going to do to make the world a better place is we're going to create an issue, because what's going to happen is I know I'm not a Rust god, but and maybe if I was, I would understand what the issue is, but somebody else is going to run into this. Someone else is going to run into this, and you know, it's just not good developer experience, you know. So we want to we're going to do our open source duty, help Solana out by creating an issue, saying, hey, we ran into an issue and we don't want anybody else to run into it. So let's just reproduce the error here real quick. We'll copy paste the output. To our new error here. Okay, and I'm not exactly sure what the error says, but if these guys know what's up. This might be my JavaScript. See, like, I'm not going to go through all this stuff. Pick result. App process tick rejections. Undefined. There's a bunch of undefined stuff. Now when we do this, what do we get? Is it that this isn't working? Solana validator. The Solana validator thing has been running for a while. Maybe I just needed to wait longer for the Solana to like sync or something. Okay. And running. I get to this point in the logs. I see. I'm definitely looking forward to one of these demos using Python 3. Is there any equivalent to Solana WebScale City? No. So Solana is like a, from what I've read, it's a lower level like block. You can I think you got to program the smart contracts in Rust. So I don't think there's a Python one. But yeah, if you're looking specifically for the Python stuff, yeah, definitely go check out that Brownie Chainlink mix that I made. It's really good. And just any of the Brownie like Hello World stuff, they're very good. This is npm. See, I don't even know what the issue here is. When running and start, I run into this error. npm start on the hello world. Hello world. Oh, duh. Wait, I'm making an issue on that. Run into this error. I don't even know what to name this. Do I call it struct error? Struct error on running npm start. I have the local cluster up. I can see container in Docker PS. I have the local cluster up. Looks like it was successful. Docker has a gigs of memory and 3 gigs swap. I'm not sure where the program log is though. OS, Mac OS, Big Sur. 1.1 or 11.1. I think the error is definitely Rust. It might be. I think so. It might be an npm error. I mean, I have no idea. I mean, it's clearly an npm error, right? But maybe it's an error with Rust or something. Maybe I need to use like a different npm use 14. Maybe it's just the wrong. No, it could be the wrong version of Node. npm use 10. Yeah. Node 12.18.1 or 12.20, excuse me. Node 12.20.0. And it's also on 10. Sorry guys, you got to see me log an error. npm this, comma this. Rust up. Here, Rust C. Solana. And Docker version. Submit new issue. Yeah, so it's an npm error. Where is this error? Okay, well, we will find that out later. Let's see if this one has better ones. Now we're switching gears. We're gonna skip the hello world and we're gonna. Oops. We're gonna go right to the Chainlink one. Git clone this. Unable to access that. The requested euro return 400. Oh, whoops. Git clone. Cool. CD. Solana flux aggregator. All right. Install. Yarn install. Ooh, see? I already like this better. They're using Yarn instead. Yarn install. I've already been coding for like over an hour. What the hell? I haven't got anything done. I just learned a little bit about Solana and logged an issue. Clear. Set up a wallet for the Flux aggregator admin. Yarn Solink generate wallet. Okay. Laptop erase antenna, blah, blah, blah. We got a little. We're going to do a touch notes.md. Just in case. What is this? We're going to airdrop. Yarn Solink airdrop. Set up a wall for the Flux. Well, sure. Let's just do this. Yarn Solink airdrop. What's this doing? Requesting 10 Sol airdrop to that. Airdrop success. Done. Okay, so we have 10 Sol to this address. Create a .env configuration for the deploy script. Okay, I'm liking this a lot. .env. Deploy.json. The demonic. Hello? Probably should have just copied. Probably should have just done this in the text editor, but you know what? It's fine. Okay. Let's even just look at the Oracle mnemonic. Aggregator setup. Build and deploy the Flux aggregator. Yarn build program. Okay. Just gonna do a little blind. See. This probably also needs Rust, so they should probably have that in this repo. Somebody who doesn't have Rust installed, it's gonna be like, what's going on? I want more orange juice. I'm gonna get more orange juice while this compiles. Still compiling, huh? Yeah, half of this stream has been me compiling stuff. The other half has been like, why is this error not working? Yeah, well, I thought it was running on a local cluster. But yeah, I think that's a good point. I mean, in any case, I'm not really sweating it because the Hello World was kind of just something I was like, hey, you know, I'll try this too. But it's really the Flux aggregator is the one that I really care about. So we'll do this one. I wanted to do the Hello World to learn some more. I'm not super. I'm not gonna beat myself up over it though. So hopefully they can get back to me, give me some info. Yummy orange juice. Yeah, these things take forever to compile. Damn. Even though I love Python, the thing is, like, if this stuff was written in Python, it would take forever to do anything. Python is so slow. Cool. And now we're going to deploy the Flux aggregator, yarn solink deploy program. So I'm assuming I have like a local... or where would I even have this? Deploying... So I am connected to Solana? Oh, okay, well this ran into an error too. Transaction was not confirmed in 10 seconds. I see, sure, I am sure there's a good tool for different applications. Yep. Maybe I am not connecting actually, because this one's not deploying this. Deploy program. CLI to TSA, see like. Let's do some TypeScript stuff. Damn. Okay, well, I'm kind of stuck now. Let's just get a wallet while we're here. Supported wallets. Wallets. MetaMath. Math wallet. Seems like there's a lot of these. Pizza again, fog, dancer, unlock, depend, large, reveal, razor, click. So probably want to do this, even if it's testing. I don't want anyone to screw with my test stuff. One second. Yep, I've saved these in a safe place. Choose a password. Let's do a weak password because this is just my testing wallet. Okay, got a wallet now. Oh, it's not like a Chrome plugin. This is my wallet. Woo! This is mainnet beta. Oh, this is my mainnet wallet. Oh, yikes. Loading. Loading. Or maybe it's not my wallet. Oh, it's in beta, so maybe it's just busted. Oh, maybe the whole cluster's down. Oh, no, it's not. Yeah, that looks like it's up. Transactions per second. Transaction count. That's kind of cool. Huh. There was a problem loading cluster stats. Maybe someone's janked up with the cluster right now. Huh. Load large Solana accounts. Excuse me. This is you connecting it to via the Brave browser. So this is just the block explorer. So I'm not connecting to the blockchain like this. I'm just I'm looking at an application that is connected to it, and that application is actually connected to the Solana blockchain. Huh. Yeah, I'm not really sure where to go here. I'll have to chat with some Solana peeps. Damn, that's too bad. Validating. Running a validator. I don't know why I'd even try running a validator. Choosing a cluster. Oh, interesting. Web wallets, hardware wallets, command line wallets. Oh yeah, there's no like. Okay. Introduction. Why Solana? A cluster is a set of computers that work together and can be viewed from the outside as a single system. A Solana cluster is a set of independently owned computers working together and sometimes against each other. Excuse me. To verify the output of untrusted user-submitted programs. A Solana cluster can be utilized at any time a user wants to preserve an immutable record of events in time or programmatic interpretation of those results. One use is to track which of the computers did meaningful work to keep the cluster running. Another use might be to track the possession of real-world assets. In each case, the cluster produces a record of events called the ledger. It will be preserved for the lifetime of the cluster as long as someone somewhere in the world maintains a copy of the ledger. Okay, interesting. What are souls? Soul is the name of Solana's native token, which can be passed to the nodes in a Solana cluster in exchange for running on-chain program or validating its output. The system may perform micropayments of fractional souls, which are called lamports. They are named in honor of Solana's biggest technical influence, this guy. So this is the Satoshi. Okay. I still don't understand the total difference here. My jaw hurts. Running a validator. Recommend CPU with the highest number of cores as possible. Okay. AMD Threadripper. That looks pretty sick. Product details. Oh my god, there's so many stats. Okay. Processor. The Threadripper. So much stronger than my little Mac here. AMD Threadripper, as you get large number of cores. 2 terabytes, 4 terabytes, 4 terabytes. While CPU only node may be able to keep up with initial idling network, once transaction throughput increases, GPUs will be necessary. Okay, so this is like, I thought Solana was, so it's proof of stake, but you still need a GPU? Interesting. Huh. We can run a validator on a cloud computing platform. It may not be, almost definitely not if you need that much freaking space. However, it may be convenient to run non-voting API nodes on VM instances of your own internal usage. This case includes Exchange and services built on Solana. In fact, the official mainnet beta API nodes are currently run on GCE. 32V. Okay. For other cloud firewalls, blah, 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 blah. Okay. Yep, don't run inside Docker. Got it. Ubuntu 18.04. Yeah, it's pretty beefy here. So, confirm. Might have to buy another machine to test this stuff. It's pretty, yeah, it's pretty beefy. But it's proof of stake, right? It's proof of stake, and you need a GPU to. Interesting. Cluster. What about AWS? Yeah, so I can't see AWS being good, because you need such beefy hardware stuff. You're gonna just pour money down the drain. Anatomy of a validator. Okay. So this is the validator. So JSON RPC service. Yep. Gossip service. Banks, forks, block store, TPU, client. Validator, validators. Sorry. Validators make extensive use of optimization called pipelining. going to have to read about this a little bit more. I'm sorry, guys. I got to end the stream a little bit early. I got to shower for an interview that I'm about to have. So thanks all for coming. And yeah, hopefully I'll have a little bit more info on why we weren't able to get this up and going. Yeah. All right. Thanks, guys.